No valves.
Why
Right, so this fellow I think is going to be my likely subject. 3/4 inch pipe comes from that way. It only has to drain from here to here. I'm going to get this on film because it's going to be fun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Make a great YouTube experience, isn't it? And then from here, we just need to go over to there, so it's a fairly short run as well. Well, you ever hear the expression, here goes nothing?
Yep. Let's see.
Let me make sure I cut it where I can actually. This should. Are we having fun yet? Should have told me to bring a dive mask. Is it quite working yet? Can't hear, I got water in my ear.
I didn't say anything.
Seems like it's slowing. Was that my imagination?
It's your imagination. Shall I get a water hose so we can run the water? Just put your thumb on it.
Oh, it is slowing.
Slowing now. But not enough.
It's dripping out. You might want to check to see if we're leaking down below.
Not yet.
If I hold it here, there we go. Finally.
Now it would be nice to have a towel to soak it away a little.